Hey tech fans, welcome back to another video. Today I will be teaching you on how to install macOS Sierra 10.12 on our Hackintoshes. Let's run over what we will be needing. You'll first need to download the macOS Sierra installer from the Mac App Store. You will also need fakesmc.txt, the Clover bootloader, and a flash drive that has at least 8 GB or more of free space available. Let's get started. You'll first want to go to the Mac App Store and download macOS Sierra. Once that is finished, we can go ahead and make our installer. You'll first need to have the root privileges, or in other words, administrative privileges, in order to do this next step. We will need to open up the terminal and place in this long command. Now, I'm a nice person and I put this command in the description below, so you can just copy and paste a comment. If your flash drive has a different name instead of USB, you'll need to replace USB with the drive's name. If the name has spaces in it, you can type the first few letters without the space and then press tab on your keyboard and it will autofill the name. Press enter and you'll need to type in your password. Don't worry because you don't see the asterisk indicating your password. This is normal and you're still typing in your password. Press enter and you'll be told that your flash drive will be reformatted again. Type in the letter Y and press enter. This will wipe the drive again. This part may take some time, so please be patient. It took me about 20 minutes to transfer the install to my flash drive. Support the channel and get web hosting while you're at it. Go to markwebhosting.com and use promo code MarkWebTech20 to get 20% off of my bronze hosting package for 1 month. Congratulations, you made it. When this is done, we can move on to the bootloader Clover. Open the Clover package that you downloaded earlier, and before pressing install, click on Change Install Location. This is where you select your flash drive. You can tell which one's a flash drive by checking the total storage of the drive. After that, press Continue, then Customize. You want to first check Install for UEFI booting only. Then scroll down and open the Driver64 UEFI dropdown and check both OS X APTIO fix DRV2-64 and partition DXE-64. Now you can press install. When this is finished, you'll see a new partition on your flash drive labeled EFI. This is the bootloader, and we will be placing the fake SMC text in the following location. First, open the EFI drive, Clover, text, Other, and finally you can place the fake SMC text in that location. Now that this is finished, we can continue installing macOS Sierra. Now we move on to part 2, installing the operating system. Let's get started. First, we will need to restart our computer with the install flash drive inserted and access the boot menu. This is either F8 for Asus motherboards, or for Gigabyte motherboards it is F12. You can also do a Google search to find which key you need to press when starting your computer. Once you're in the menu, you need to select the UEFI version of the flash drive, not the legacy BIOS version, or this may not work. After this, you can simply select the install volume in Clover. If you need to input kernel flags, you can click onto the cog to open the options menu. There, you want to click on boot args and type in the kernel flags you need. Press return and select the boot OS X install option. macOS will take a very long time to load up. Once you're in, you can install macOS Sierra. Whenever it's finished installing, you'll need to boot into a new Clover item by going back to your bootloader. This item is called macOS install. You'll see macOS install from your main drive, whatever it is called. After it's finished installing, you can boot into your new installation of macOS Sierra. Thank you guys for watching. I hope the video helped you out. If it did, please do share it. You can also subscribe to the channel for more content. And I'll see you next time. Bye.